ready to race. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Tiger Moon by the rail. Totis Best on the outside. And Bonus Gem running in third on the farther outside. Elgin and Chairman and Bohemian Dave. But it's still Tiger Moon by the rail. Totis Best on the outside. And running in third is Bonus Gem by 3.5 lengths. Bohemian Dave, Elgin and Chairman. The mid-back stretch, Tiger Moon by the rail. Totis Best on the outside in second. And running in third by 4 lengths is Bonus Gem. Rounding the far turn, Tiger Moon by the rail. Totis Best on the outside in second. And running in third is Bonus Gem. But it's still Tiger Moon by half a length. Totis Best remains in second. Bonus Gem running in third. Bohemian Dave and Elgin and Chairman. The last bend for home, it is still Tiger Moon by the rail and Totis Best on the outside. And Bonus Gem closing in third. Elgin and Chairman, Bohemian Dave. The top of the stretch, Tiger Moon by the rail, Totis Best on the outside. But it's still Tiger Moon in the lead, followed by Totis Best and Bonus Gem on the farther outside. It is still Tiger Moon. It's Tiger Moon in the lead, followed by Totis Best in second. And Bonus Gem, Elgin and Chairman moving up on the farther outside. And finally, Tiger Moon, Totis Best, Elgin and Chairman, Bohemian Dave, Bonus Gem.
1, 4, 3, 2 ang ating unofficial order.